IoT Security, Challenges and Solutions. IoT Security Challenges. Vulnerabilities in devices. IoT devices often have limited processing power and memory, making them vulnerable to cyber attacks. Inadequate protection. Many IoT devices lack basic security features such as encryption and authentication, leaving them susceptible to breaches. Network security. IoT devices are often connected to the internet via insecure networks, making them easy targets for hackers. Solutions to IoT security challenges. Implementation of encryption. Encrypting data transmitted between IoT devices and networks can prevent unauthorized access and ensure data privacy. Strong authentication. Implementing two-factor authentication and biometric security measures can enhance the security of IoT devices. Firewall protection. Installing firewalls on IoT networks can help monitor and control incoming and outgoing traffic to prevent cyber attacks. Regulatory compliance. Adhering to industry regulations and standards can ensure that IoT devices meet security requirements. Automation and integration. Using automated security solutions and integrating them with existing systems can enhance the overall security of IoT networks. Remote monitoring. Implementing remote monitoring tools can help identify security threats in real time and respond proactively. Conclusion. As IoT devices continue to proliferate across various industries, ensuring robust security measures is essential to protect against cyber threats.